Stop, whatever you're doing right now, if you just brushed your teeth and grabbed that bottle of mouthwash, you might be destroying your teeth without even knowing it. Dentists have been warning about this for years, but most people still do it every single day. Let's fix that, right now. Here's the problem. Right after brushing, most people reach for mouthwash. It feels fresh, it tastes clean. But you're actually rinsing away the most important layer of protection your toothpaste just gave you, fluoride. That's like putting sunscreen on and then jumping straight into the pool. Studies show that rinsing immediately after brushing can reduce fluoride's protective effect by up to 50%. That's half your cavity protection, gone. Fluoride needs time, about 30 minutes to fully bond with your enamel. If you rinse it away too soon, you're leaving your teeth exposed to acids and bacteria. That means more cavities, weaker enamel, and sensitivity over time. And here's the kicker. Many mouthwashes don't even contain fluoride. So you're replacing a shield with nothing. So, here's something you might not know. A lot of alcohol-based mouthwashes can actually dry out your mouth, which makes it a better home for cavity-causing bacteria. Yikes. Dentists recommend waiting at least 30 minutes after brushing before using mouthwash. Better yet, use it at a different time of day entirely, like after lunch or maybe in the evening before bed. And if you want maximum protection, just make sure to choose a mouthwash that actually contains fluoride. Always check the label. That minty burn? Well, it's not proof your mouthwash is working, it's often just alcohol irritating your gums. Here's a dentist-approved routine. Brush for 2 minutes with a fluoride toothpaste. Spit, but don't rinse with water. Wait at least 30 minutes before using mouthwash. And for the best results, pick an alcohol-free, fluoride mouthwash. So, are you guilty of this mistake? If so, go ahead and change your routine tonight. Your teeth will thank you. And if you found this helpful, check out my video on 7 hidden signs your teeth are in trouble. I'll link it right here. Stay smiling.